USB Type-C cable. The 3-pack USB-C cable is widely compatible for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, S21, S20, S10, S9, S8, Z Flip 3, Z Fold 3, iPad mini 6, iPad Pro 2021, iPad Air 4, LG G7 G8 V40 V50, PS5 DualSense controller, Motorola Razr 2019, Moto G7 G6, Moto Z Force, Nintendo Switch, GoPro Hero 8, Google Piex, Sony, Oneplus and other Type-C device. Fast charging cable. This USB Type-C cable supports quick charge 3.0 and 2.0, with max output up to 3A. It is fully compatible with Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging AFC and Huawei Fast Charging Protocol FCP, providing 5 volts 3A, 9 volts 2A or 12 volts 1.5A fast charge. High-speed data transmission. Triple shielding provides better protection against interference, ensuring fast and stable data transmission. This USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable ensures data transmission of up to 480 megabits per second, transferring HD files in seconds. Safe and reliable charging. With a built-in 56 kilo-ohms resistor, this USB-C fast charging cable ensures reliable conductivity and charging, protecting your mobile phones from damage due to overcurrent or overvoltage. Fit your devices snugly. The USB-C cable 3-pack features with 6 feet plus 3 feet plus 1.5 feet length, which can fit your device snugly, perfectly length for holding a solid connection to your different devices. Flexible cables can stand over 10,000 bending, add additional durability for a longer lifespan. Top reviews from the United States. Work perfect. Charge is super fast. Just wish they have more color options.